Now this is a question which is from sets. Okay, that too 3 sets have been involved. So we actually need the formula for that thing. So let's see. So first of all, stop the video and try to solve it yourself. Okay, the only way to learn is actually trying to do the problem which you don't know how to do. Even if you don't get the answer, you'll still learn. That's only the way to learn maths. In a college, 200 students take admission in different subjects. So there are total 200 students. 56 students took admission in biology. Biology have 56. Maths have 62. So psychology. Yes, psychology have 84. 18 students took admission in both biology and maths. Wow. How much? 18. Maths. Biology and maths. 20 took admission in biology and psychology. Biology and psychology, 20 took. 12 took in maths and psychology. Maths and psychology, 12 took. If 8 students took all 3 subjects, so there are all 8 students took all 3 subjects, then how many students take none of the subject? This is actually a direct problem from sets. So we know that sets, if this is sets, everyone inside will be inside this box, and we have 3 people over here. We have maths, we have biology, we also have psychology. So to solve this problem, what we have to do is basically okay, I want to see how many people are inside, inside these, any of these circle. So that is basically, I want to find maths union, biology union, psychology. So if I add maths, everyone inside this group is going to come. Everyone here will come. To that, I will add all the people from biology. So everyone in this group is going to come. Everyone in this group is also going to come. Biology. Now I will be adding, let's say, physics to that. Physics. So everyone inside this group also will come. Physics. But the problem is that there are multiple double countings. If you look at the areas like this or this or this, double counting has happened. To avoid that double counting, I have to subtract. So what I will first subtract is, I will subtract the people who are between maths and biology. Maths, biology intersection, I will subtract once. So if I see, I can remove this. Ayyo. Okay, I can't, my eraser is too small. Okay, if I do that, what is going to happen is that once all the people in that group will be eliminated, that's good thing. But other places also having, so I'll be subtracting biology intersection physics. If I do biology intersection physics, then here also one time it will go. Okay, one time it will go, and only one counting is going to happen. Okay, only one counting is going to happen. Okay, now if I subtract the physics and maths, physics intersection maths, if I remove physics intersection maths, this people, one guy from this group will also go. Only one counting will happen. Now, but the end product, you will find that there is a vacuum in the middle. This place there is a vacuum. That happens because when you subtract 3 times, the every representation in the center will get disappeared. So we also have to add maths intersection, physics intersection, biology. The people who are everywhere, we have to add them once. So that is the formula. Okay. Now we simply have to substitute these values. We know that we have 56 people in biology. Maths, we have 62 people. Physics, 84 people. Maths intersection biology. Maths intersection biology, 18 people we have to subtract. Biology intersection physics, 20 people we have to subtract. Physics intersection maths, 12 people we have to subtract. And we have to add this all people also once. So what is the value which you are going to get? Let me check. 62 plus 56 plus 84 minus 18 minus 20 minus 12 plus 8. You will find that there are 160 people who are in M union B union P, who are in any of this thing. But only 160 people are inside these circles. We need total of 200 people. Remaining 40 people will be outside. Okay, if out of the 200 people, if you subtract these people, 40 people didn't select any of the subject. So that is a question which is asking if 8 students took all the subject, 3 subject. How many students took none of the subject? Answer is 40. So answer is 40. Answer option D. Now let me just give the formula once more. A union B union C. That means inside any of the circle is a number of people in A plus B plus C minus A intersection B minus B intersection C minus A intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. If it is a two group, we can say that A union B is only two sets are there. Then A plus B minus A intersection B. That's it. Okay. Now, I can actually go one more step further if needed. Okay, I think we'll go one more step in further. So this is how you actually find the answer for this problem. But there is one more step further which we can actually go. Let me take this value and move it down because there is something which I want to show you. So if we have all this value, then we can represent that, circles more properly. So if I draw these circles, the first one is of maths, second is biology, third one is physics. First thing I have to write is the 8 people who are standing in the center. 8 people who selected all the subjects will be standing here. Now I have to fill the remaining gaps. So maths and biology, 18 people should be there, maths and biology. 8 people are already inside that thing. See, 18 people should come in this gap, maths and biology. But the interesting thing is that eight people are already there. We only have to place 10 more people. Now if you look at this gap, maths intersection biology, you will find that 18 people are already there. Similarly, we have to fill in the gaps of maths and physics. Maths and physics, 12 people should be there. So the gap of maths and physics is going to be here. 12 people are supposed to be there. But interestingly, 8 people are already there. We only have to put 4 more people. And that will create 12 people. So now we have to put physics and biology. 20 people should be there. Physics, psychology and biology. In this gap, we need 20 people. But 8 people are already there. We only have to place another 12 people. If we place 12 people, 20 people are already there. Now, similarly, we have to fill in the remaining gap. For example, maths, inside the maths circle, total, we should get how much people? 62 people. But already there are 10 plus 8 plus 4. 20, see, this 10 plus 8 plus 4 are already there. So we only have to add, that is 22 people. If 62 minus 22, we have to add only 40 more people here. If we add 40 more people here, if you check inside maths, you will find total 62 people will be there. Similarly, we can fill the data in other place. Biology has 56 people. Already there are 10 plus 8 plus 12. 30 people are already there. So 56 minus 30 will have 26 people should be standing here. Similarly, psychology need 84 people. There is already 4 plus 8 plus 12, 24 people. So 84 minus our answer, 60 people should be here. Now if you see, and of course, if you count all of this value, 40 plus 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus such that 40 plus 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 12 plus 26 plus 60, you will find there are 160 people. That basically means 40 people will be standing outside. Now doing this in this way is much more helpful because you can answer much more problems this way. So we know that 8 people are selecting all the subject. But what if the question is asking you to find the people who only took just 2 times? Just 2 subjects means that should only come over here and here and here. Every other places, if you look, you will find here only single subjects are there. Here 3 subjects are there. So only the highlighted portion in 10, those are the people who took only 2 subjects. So the answer is 10 plus 4 plus 12. Only 26 people took 2 subjects. Or what if the question is asking you to find the people who took only one single subjects. So that is this 40 plus this 26 plus this 60. 40 plus 26 plus 60 is 126. So to answer further questions, you need this figure. So that's it. You can always start from the center. That's the easiest way to solve such problems.